Welcome to Ride Radar, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Rebel 250, a bike that's captured the attention of riders everywhere with its stylish design, performance, and affordability. If you're looking for a lightweight cruiser or your very first bike, the Rebel 250 might just be the perfect fit for you. So, let's jump right into the features, performance, and everything you need to know about this exciting new release from Honda. The 2025 Honda Rebel 250, an overview. The 2025 Honda Rebel 250 carries forward the legacy of its predecessors, while adding modern touches that make it more appealing to today's riders. Known for its approachable size, sleek design, and reliable performance, the Rebel 250 is designed to be the ultimate entry-level cruiser. Whether you're a beginner just getting into the world of motorcycling or an experienced rider looking for something fun and easy to maneuver, the Rebel 250 strikes the perfect balance between practicality and style, design and aesthetics. Honda has always placed a strong emphasis on design, and the 2025 Rebel 250 is no exception. This bike continues to feature the minimalist, bobber-inspired look that has made the Rebel series so popular. With clean lines, a low-profile stance, and a comfortable riding position, the Rebel 250 is both functional and visually appealing. The bike is offered in a range of colors, including matte finishes that give it a contemporary edge. The low-slung frame and round headlamp exude a classic cruiser aesthetic, while the wide handlebars provide a relaxed and confident riding posture. The minimalist approach is reinforced by the absence of unnecessary frills, creating a stripped-down, rugged appearance that resonates with riders who appreciate simplicity and raw beauty in a motorcycle. Engine and performance. Underneath its stylish exterior, the 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is powered by a reliable 249 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. While it's not a powerhouse, the engine is perfect for riders who are looking for a smooth, manageable ride that doesn't overwhelm them with raw power. Producing just enough horsepower to cruise comfortably, the Rebel 250 offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and weekend adventures. The bike's engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox, allowing for smooth shifts and decent highway cruising speeds. The lightweight design of the Rebel 250 contributes to its nimbleness, making it easy to handle in city traffic or winding country roads. Whether you're taking it easy or opening up the throttle, the engine offers enough flexibility to match your riding style. Handling and comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is its impressive handling. With a low seat height of just 27.2 inches, riders of all sizes will find it easy to put both feet on the ground at a stop, providing confidence and stability. The bike's lightweight frame, weighing in at just over 370 pounds, also makes it easy to maneuver, even for new riders. The Rebel 250 suspension setup includes telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring a smooth ride on most surfaces. While it's not intended for aggressive off-road use, the suspension provides just enough travel to handle rough city streets, bumps, and mild gravel roads without discomfort. Comfort is key on long rides, and the Rebel 250's wide seat and relaxed ergonomics deliver a pleasant experience for both short and medium distances. The handlebars are positioned for a neutral grip, and the foot pegs are set forward, allowing you to ride for hours without feeling cramped. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda Rebel 250 comes equipped with a range of modern features that enhance both safety and convenience for riders. The bike includes a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that displays key information, including speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more. This updated display is easy to read in any lighting condition, providing riders with the necessary data at a glance. For those looking to ride at night or in low-light conditions, the Rebel 250 features LED lighting, including a bright LED headlamp that offers superior visibility compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The use of LED lights not only enhances safety, but also contributes to the bike's modern, sleek look. Honda has also equipped the Rebel 250 with an advanced braking system. The front features a single disc brake, while the rear utilizes a drum brake, providing ample stopping power for the bike size. For added safety, the Rebel 250 comes with anti-lock braking system, ABS, on the front wheel, offering greater stability when braking in wet or slippery conditions. Fuel economy and efficiency. One of the major selling points of the 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to its small displacement engine and lightweight design, the Rebel 250 offers exceptional miles per gallon, making it an ideal option for riders looking to save money on fuel. With a fuel tank capacity of 3.4 gallons, you can expect a ride for a long time before needing to refuel. Whether you're commuting around town or taking longer rides, the Rebel 250's fuel efficiency is sure to impress. Riders can expect to get around 70 to 80 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. This makes the Rebel 250 an ideal choice for those who want to minimize their environmental impact while also saving money at the pump. Customization options. Honda knows that many riders enjoy personalizing their bikes, and the 2025 Rebel 250 offers plenty of customization options to make your bike truly your own. From aftermarket exhaust to custom seats and handlebars, the possibilities for customization are endless. The minimalist design of the Rebel 250 makes it a perfect canvas for riders who want to add their unique touch. Whether you're looking to enhance the bike's performance with upgrades or just want to change the look to better reflect your personal style, the Rebel 250 is highly adaptable. The availability of Honda's official accessories also makes it easy to find parts that are designed specifically for this model, ensuring fitment and reliability. Price and availability. As an entry-level motorcycle, the 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is priced competitively to appeal to a wide range of riders. With a starting MSRP that falls in the lower range for new motorcycles, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to get started on two wheels. Honda has also made the bike available in various colors and trims, giving riders the flexibility to choose the model that best fits their preferences and budget. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is a fantastic option for new riders, commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable, stylish, and easy-to-handle cruiser. With its reliable performance, sleek design, and customizable features, it's a bike that can grow with you as your riding skills progress. If you're looking for a bike that offers great value, fuel efficiency, and a stylish, low-maintenance design, the Rebel 250 might just be the perfect fit for you. So, whether you're just starting your riding journey or you're an experienced rider looking for a fun and manageable bike, the 2025 Honda Rebel 250 is a great option to consider. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, news, and tips. Ride safe and see you on the road.